What's going on, everybody? This is Adrian back with you guys for another video. I have quite the feast today. We got Boston Market. We got mashed potatoes and gravy, corn, macaroni and cheese, chicken, cornbread. It's a full meal. It's gonna be a feast today. This is about to go down. Start with mashed potatoes. Love their mashed potatoes. I know they're probably, from a box or whatever. I don't care. Flavorful with that gravy. I usually save the cornbread for the end, but we're gonna dip it in this delicious gravy. Nice sweet and salty combo. A little sweetness from the cornbread, savory from the potatoes, and gravy. I'm sorry, I can't eat everything separate by itself. I always end up just mixing everything into one big pile of food. It's about to be some savage eating here, guys, once I dig into this chicken. And to wash it down, Sweet Baby Jesus. This is a good beer. Chocolate peanut butter porter from Duclaw. Recommend it. Anybody trying it if they can. My beer pouring skills suck. Oh shit. Oh shit. Here we go. All right. I'm gonna have to start. This looks like the breast portion. I'll start there. Look at that. Nice and cut up. I haven't ordered Boston Market in quite some time. I don't remember them cutting the chicken up at one point. I remember just getting like a full chicken if I ordered it. All right. I'm sorry, guys. Let me do this with my hands. Tender, juicy. What's the consensus on Boston Market? Is there a lot of Boston Market fans out there? It's one that I usually forget about. Usually my go-tos are Wendy's, Popeyes. That's pretty much Taco Bell. Can't forget Taco Bell. I had Taco Bell twice last week. Man, this quarantine is there's one thing, this quarantine is kicking my ass gym-wise. When I'm home, I just don't feel like working out. Kind of lose motivation. Last piece of chicken right here. Nice thigh. Favorite part of the chicken. I'm gonna go both hands. Thigh and a drumstick. Look at that. Always a mess. Always a mess. I'm telling you. I love rotisserie chicken. I got a love-hate relationship with the skin though. I like chicken skin nice and crispy. You know, just crunches. This has really good flavor. It's just a texture. I mean, I can eat it obviously. And that is it. Man, I went to town on this. It's just pieces of skin left. That was delicious. More. Thank you for tuning in, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.